Alright, you guys, it's 2 a.m. We are outside. We outside. Hit the like button one time. Yeah, it's beautiful.
It's officially our bedtime.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's really late. Woo! You're a trooper.
You're a trooper. Good morning, beautiful. And gotcha. It's the last day for our anniversary. You got anything you want to say? You got anything you want from me? What can we do to make our relationship even better than it is?
There's nothing I can think of at all, actually.
Okay.
It's been a really good year, babe.
Oh no.
I'm glad we get to celebrate it together here.
Me too. I am too.
It's been a fast year.
We can say that again.
Yeah.
It for sure has.
We've done a lot in the best way possible.
No, I love it. And
Let's go to pool, babe.
I'll do it all like, okay, ADHD to end. Let me finish my little.
I have all this stuff on my face.
Gosh. All right, baby. Let's get you to the pool. All right.
Pool time.
All right. Get her to the pool so she can be a little water baby.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't get you. You're too short.
We up in here, baby.
Yeah. Nope.
Guys, this pool is so cold. It's so crazy.
Yeah, no, that's what we're not doing.
I think we should get him in.
Nope.
It's like when I touch him, he gets annoyed.
I don't get annoyed. It's just cold. And guys, you know what happens when it gets cold, you know, and right now they're relaxed and I don't need them up in my stomach, all right? So we just gonna, you know, sit right here where I'm in the water, but I'm not. You feel me? Hit the like button. We out.
Yeah,
We here at the Venetian.
we're in Venice.
Yeah.
Just kidding, we're in Vegas.
Right?
With the gondolas.
Yeah.
Hooray!
Hi, beautiful.
Hello. We're getting hammered.
Mm-hmm. I know, we get dark in here.
Black as
Right? So, alright, you guys. We are back on the streets once again.
once again.
Right now, we are headed to the MGM. There's a big fight going on tonight, but we're not going. We're gonna go get something to eat, and then we're gonna go see the Mad Apple. So we'll let you know what we think of that. In-N-Out was fire, of course.
Yeah.
So
We got
you know,
that up real quick.
and then it kind of made us a little sluggish, so we walked it off. Went to the Venetian.
Yeah, I saw the gondola ride.
Yeah. Insert dope clips here.
Yeah.
So
Got to see all the
yeah, needless to say, that was dope. And now we are on the way, like I said, to get something to eat really quick. And then headed to go see the Mad Apple. So we'll catch you guys in a second. Alright, so the pizza was fire. And now we are at New York to see the Bad Apple. So we're gonna let you guys know what we think when we're done. Catch you in a little bit. We out here. We outside.
Shut it down.
Yeah, we outside.
Down to the ground.
Yeah, you know I love you.
Wiggle. I love you.
We'll catch you guys tomorrow. We going on more adventures. Yeah, like I said, to recap, we celebrated over 2 days. We started off at Treasure Island.
T.I.
And then we went to California. And then we went to Fremont. Yeah. And then we had
We're
dinner.
celebrating Mexican Independence Day all weekend.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop.
Doing it up. Shout
Viva
out to
la
the
Mexico.
Yeah, shout out to the Mexican homies. Big shout out to y'all. Happy Independence Day.
Yeah.
We rock with y'all.
Thanks for letting us rock with you on this special day. We had fun.
We was doing it up. We was having a good
Bitty
time.
bitty bumba.
But yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Alright, we out. Damn, look at my hair. And I got the sunglasses.
I like it.
No, the wind is making it go crazy. Alright, you guys. So, we're still in Las Vegas.
Vegas, baby.
Yeah. And we are going to dinner. We're going to go check out Lolo's Chicken and Waffles. So, we'll let you guys know what we think when we get in there.
About to eat some soul food. It's
Yes,
gonna be
sir.
good. They got Kool-Aid on tap.
Right.
Come on now.
Right. So,
On tap?
we're going to let y'all know what we find when we get there. So, yeah. Right? Yeah. You see the shark? It's a shark in here. We're gonna find it.
We have been here.
Yeah, we're gonna find that shark. Ooh, you're cold. How beautiful.
This is the life right here.
Thanks, chillin'. Right? I'm probably gonna have to turn this off soon because I don't want to get copyright. But we're chilling. Right?
And my baby.
So we just got out of the lower pool. Now we can go back up top and go to the cabana.
Then we're gonna go shower and go to dinner.
Yeah.
Come with us.
Yeah. Hit the camera. Alright, so just got back from the pool. We had to go change. She got taller somehow.
Hiya!
They can't see that. So now we're going to Vic and Anthony's steakhouse to go eat. And yeah,
Is it dark outside now?
catch you guys in a little bit. Alright, you guys, so just checked into Circa. Crazy here. Just checked into Circa. And check out the room. One of these days, I'll turn the light on for you guys. Hey, keep going around the room. Smooth with a cold view. Bathroom. Hey. Nice little room. I'm gonna get some lights on in here. Bree gonna be here soon. Oh yeah, now you can see a little bit lit up. Hey, let those open up. I'm sure it's gonna look even better at night, so yeah, catch y'all in a second. Alright, you guys, so I don't know what today is. Friday?
Mm-hmm.
It's Friday. We just got some coffee. It's our last day in this room.
Yeah.
We gotta pack up. This room has been good to us. It's definitely gonna be a room that we request
Every time.
Yeah, like it's a super dope room. Circa, you've been good to us.
Mm-hmm.
We gonna check in with y'all when we come back next time. Right now, we getting ready to go ahead to Bree's mom's house. So
Time to go home.
gotta pack up.
On to my second home.
Yep. So we'll catch you guys
On the flip side.
Yeah.
You got to live it.
Yeah.